This is an update as far as Disha Patni's house firing case is concerned. UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has said that a criminal involved in women-related crime came from outside the state, but when UP police's bullet hit him, he said he wrongly entered the state and will never show this audacity again. UP Chief Minister also said that every criminal who dares to undermine women's safety will meet the same fate. One of the 5 shooters involved in the firing incident at Disha Patni's ancestral house in Bareilly was arrested along with an associate after a police encounter.
आपने कल देखा होगा महिला संबंधी अपराध में संलिप्त एक अपराधी बाहर से आया था और संभवतः मारीच की तरह घुसा था, लेकिन जब यहां की पुलिस की गोली ने उसकी शरीर को छलनी किया तो कल वो चिल्ला रहा था कि साहब मैं गलती से उत्तर प्रदेश की सीमा में आ गया हूं, आगे से ये दुस्साहस नहीं करूंगा। और यह हर उस अपराधी को करना पड़ेगा जो महिला सुरक्षा में सेंध लगाएगा, उनके सम्मान और उनके स्वावलंबन में उसमें बाधक बनेगा। उसके सामने संकट की यही चुनौती हमेशा खड़ी होगी।
We have my colleague Adib now joining us on the broadcast for more on this. Adib, it's an important update there coming in from the Chief Minister himself. One of the accused who was involved in this firing incident outside Disha Patni's residence actually came from outside.
Well, definitely, Hina, see, and from the day one of the incident, Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath was closely monitoring the situation. In fact, he gave orders to the police officials that a strict action should be taken against all the culprits involved in this case. And as a result, what we saw yesterday, that during an encounter in Bareilly, a criminal, when he was shot at by Uttar Pradesh police, he started pleading that he mistakenly entered into Uttar Pradesh and he won't repeat the same and he won't commit such mistake. And in fact, Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, while he was speaking in Lucknow today, he asserted this fact that any criminal who will undermine the safety of women will meet such fate. So a clear message coming straight from Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, linking the case with Bareilly, that if a person or any criminal is going to undermine the safety of the women, he is going to meet the same fate as the Bareilly incident here.
Well, absolutely. And this was indeed a very, very shocking incident, Adib, that we saw coming in from Uttar Pradesh and how the gangs were involved in it. But then what followed was an encounter. And then we saw the father of Disha Patni also thanking the Chief Minister for swift action.
Well, definitely, see, it was a quick and swift action by Uttar Pradesh police, and in fact, the Delhi police and Haryana police were also involved when the encounter took place in Ghaziabad in the Tronika city area, where 2 criminals were killed in an encounter. Those criminals were using sophisticated weapons. They fired at the police, and resulting in all the criminals, those who were involved in this case, they have been apprehended. And the father of Disha Patni, Mr. Jagdish Patni, he went ahead. He thanked Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath for his support and his guidance, and he says that Uttar Pradesh police and Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath were closely monitoring the situation, and they assured me that yes, there's a safety and law and order in the state, and this is what Mr. Patni has to say for Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath now.
All right, Adib, thank you very much for the moment, for joining us with your inputs. And viewers, yesterday the cops there arrested another accused in connection with this case. Listen in to what he said.
दोबारा सर कभी यूपी में नहीं आएंगे सर, कभी नहीं आएंगे सर, बाबा जी की पुलिस के आगे कभी नहीं आएंगे सर। दर्द हो रहा है सर, दोबारा सर कभी यूपी में नहीं आएंगे सर, कभी नहीं आएंगे सर, बाबा जी की पुलिस के आगे कभी नहीं आएंगे सर। दर्द हो रहा है सर, दोबारा सर कभी यूपी में नहीं आएंगे सर, कभी नहीं आएंगे सर, बाबा जी की पुलिस के आगे कभी नहीं आएंगे सर। दर्द हो रहा है सर, दोबारा सर कभी यूपी में नहीं आएंगे सर, कभी नहीं आएंगे सर, बाबा जी की पुलिस के आगे कभी नहीं आएंगे सर। दर्द हो रहा है सर, दोबारा सर कभी यूपी में नहीं आएंगे सर, कभी नहीं आएंगे सर, बाबा जी की पुलिस के आगे कभी नहीं आएंगे सर। दर्द हो रहा है सर।